The Windsor Karcher Sensor S vacuum is equipped with an indicator light that will inform you if there is a clog in your vacuum or if the filter bag is full. Today, we're going to take a look at exactly how this works and what to do if your light comes on. On Sensor S models, there is a bypass valve in the swivel neck. If there is too much pressure in the system, the bypass valve will tell the controller board to light up. Usually, this excessive pressure is caused by a bag that is overfilled or a microfilter that is plugged. Another cause might be a clog in the hose, wand, or power head. So what if you've changed the bag and filters and the light still comes on? Worry not, we're here to help. Another possibility that may be causing the bag full indicator to illuminate would be a problem with the bypass valve itself. This valve does have an adjustment, but the bypass valve can also be damaged by moisture or plugged with fine dust particles. The easiest way to determine whether you have a legitimate blockage or a problem with the bypass valve is to open the system to rule out an obstruction. To do this, simply remove the front bag housing cover and microfilter. Turn on the vacuum. If the light does not come on, your problem is likely an obstruction. If the light does illuminate with the system open, your problem is likely the bypass valve. Please view the solution videos to either cause linked below. Select your next step now for further troubleshooting.